So hi everyone, welcome to the channel. We just blow dry towel on his hair using the Revere. If you guys want to see how we did it, you can look at the pinned comment, and everything I'm going to use for our hairstyle will be in the comment area, so, and also in the description area. So we're using this here. You can find it on our Amazon shop, and the length we're using is 26 1B. So this is it, 26 1B. I'm gonna just start off with separating our hair, and to separate our hair I'm using my rat tail comb to give it a clean part. I've sectioned up our hair, and you can see it all sectioned up like that. So our hair is so thick that you can't even see the parts, but the parts are right there. So in order to make sure I don't grab any hair, I'm going to use my Revere clip, my crop clip, and just clip the hair away. So I have this section. So for our hair to give it some sealing the moisture, because our hair still feels moisturized, I'm going to use the Creme de la Oil by Kadima, and this just seals in the hair, and it's a butter, agave butter with babasu seed oil and pomegranate seed oil, and it has mango butter also and muru butter. So it's a lot of, also takuma butter, so it's a lot of butters, and that will just help. I was thinking of using gel, so I'm just going to take this and just seal it in. And our hair has been moisturized prior to, you know, to doing all this. So I'm going to use the Kadima Ultra Moist Edge Control Gel. So I'm going to be using the Edge Control Gel from Kadima, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to use that along our edges, so to remove the frizz, so that there's not a lot of frizz, just put that along the edges like that, and then I'm going to also put some along our edges like that. So not too much, just want to put a little bit right over there. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to get my edge brush. Where is my edge brush? Yeah, I'm going to get my edge brush and use my edge brush to just smoothen everything in. Smoothing everything in. So this is what the hair looks like. It looks so much like our hair texture. You guys see? Yeah. So let's take one pack of it. I'm taking one pack of it. And I'm going to take this, and I'm going to split this, take a small section of this. So I'm starting off with a small section, and then I'm going to make like bigger sections as we go. 1, 2, 3. So I've just gone 3 strands already. I'm going to get the smaller one. This is the smaller hair, and I'm going to put one of the side of the hair along. I'm holding this. I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it underneath, grab it underneath with one hair, take the other one, and I'm gonna swing it into the other hair like that. Okay, so I'll repeat it again so that you guys can see it. So yeah, so you see it's not that smooth. You see it's not seamless, so I'm gonna try that again. Yeah, so you can always learn. I'm gonna try that again. So let's try it again. Okay, so we're gonna start braiding. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Okay, so give me the hair. So I'm going 4. I'm gonna grab the hair again. And I think what I want to do is I want to take the hair, I'm going to put it underneath like this. So maybe if I grab it underneath like this. Okay. Then the one that I brought underneath, I'm going to swing it out so that it joins the other ones. Yes, that's it. See? Oh my goodness. See how it's just seamless? It looks seamless. So we're going to do it again. So I'm going to do 1, 2. And then I'm going to grab it again. So let's do another one. And let's see if we get it this time. So I'm taking another one. These are not as thin. I'm going to swing it across like this. Okay. Take this hair. I'm going to take this hair and I'm going to swing it underneath. Okay. When I swing it underneath, I'm going to release this one. This one, I'm going to just release it out. And then I'll grab it on the next go. You guys see that? I'm going to grab it on the next go. Yeah, that's it. 2, 3. Okay, so let me show you again with another one. Whew. I think once you get the hang of it, it will be good. So let's grab another one. This is another one. This one seems a bit thick, so let me not use that. Yeah, I'm gonna grab another one. Take it in the middle, swing it over. So in the middle, I'm gonna swing it underneath. You see, underneath this, catch it, and then I'm gonna corn roll, but the loose one, flip it out, and as I take this through, I'm gonna now join it underneath like that. So this is my first time doing fitting braid. So hopefully I'm getting the hang of it. This is what it looks like. You guys can see. So it seems okay. This area here, I didn't want to grab it. It's kind of loose because I didn't want to pull too much and hurt her. So that one, I might have to redo that. But for now, this is it. And it will look, it will do. So I think I tried for my first time. So I'm just going to continue doing it. And then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when we're done. So we are finished. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this was such a learning experience. I just learned from my mistakes, and as I keep on learning, I'm going to get better. So this is how long it is. Can you stand up? So we're going to show you how long it is. So this is how long it is. It goes down to, yeah, it's that length. So you can kind of see how it, so it goes like that. And I haven't yet dipped it in water. I've not done anything. I just said, let me show you. Sit down. I have. And this is the side, but our hair feels so soft and everything feels so soft. So yeah, do you like your hair? Okay, I'm glad you do. Okay, so yeah, so thank you so much everyone for watching. Really appreciate you guys. And guess what? We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.